I will tell you again, in my background, having my oldest is a boy, my middle is a girl, and my youngest is a boy, and my daughter's now playing in the NCAA round 1 this weekend in Chicago. I got to put that in there. Yep. I will tell you, I am concerned though. She did play in a game in which there was a transgender player for another team. And I saw that with some concern, because if my daughter got hurt, for example, the concerns of a father are real. The concerns of a mother are real. And the good proponent of this bill in the intro mentioned how this bill is about the safety of our children. I think we all can agree, if somebody is physically at an advantage to the point where somebody can get hurt while competing, we need to address that. And so, Madam Speaker, the clerk has an amendment, LCO 7638. Would you please ask the clerk to call it, and I'd be allowed to summarize. With the Speaker's permission, I'm just going to read the section that we're adding. It's Section 11, information regarding the standards and guidelines relating to eligibility criteria for transgender participation in state intramural and scholastic athletics adopted or issued by the International Olympic Committee, and how such standards and guidelines may be implemented. And so all this amendment does is ask us to look at the impact that some of these policies and procedures in Title IX and how they would impact the safety and welfare of our children. That's all it does. It goes along with the International Olympic Committee's language. It's adopted. We can all take a look at it and embrace the idea of it, that we're simply trying to protect our children when competing in school athletics. And so I doubt I'm going to get any votes on this amendment from the other side of the aisle, but I would ask that it be considered. Maybe not this year, but next year. Think about it, because at some point in time, mark my words, I hope I'm wrong, I've already said that I often am, somebody's going to get hurt badly. And we're going to regret not addressing this issue. And it's not prescriptive. It's a may be implemented. It's not must. There's no downside to voting for this amendment. None. It's not discriminatory. It's going to help our school district. As the good chair of children pointed out, they want to promote equality and involvement and inclusion. So I thank my good colleague for the question, and I hope we've earned some votes from the other side of the aisle. Thank you very much.